Myntri Rangbah Jylla Conrad K Sangma Hagasimba Ula Plie Solar Photovoltaic Plant Basan Po Kilowatt has St Mary's Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kabala pyntrei lyngba Chief Minister's Solar Mission, haba pyntip lyngba Kaniga Mission, ka Sorkar kladeban pyndait ki solar panel, haduh hinyospa atli ki skul kiba ban pynmih, iway point sun megawatt ka bording, but sakhatlai spa atli ki skul on sa pyndait no shen. Yaga project has school St Mary's Higher Secondary School, la pyntrei daga Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency, but kadika way na kijing pyndait yaki core solar kaba haduh hakachakapuli ha Meghalaya. Kaniga core ba sanpho kilowatt kabashongdor kumba sanpho lak tingka kadon yaki battery men kershan bat lakmi lenti bakan sinyang shikat day shaka jingla pendap ya kajing don kam boarding jongka school lyngba ka boarding ka bakhoy bat ka bamlut shu. Habakren hagajing lang Myntri Rangbah Conrad K Sangma ulapin paw ya kajing kongsan ka boarding ka bamlut shu haba pendon kam hagajing khun ya kajing kala ka sunmining bat pintikna ya kalaway ka badap babyang nakabenta ka Meghalaya. Kamtam habayo ya kajing nang jur kijing kta na kijing kala ka sunmining. Habashim ya kani kajing plie kum ka dak chong kajing shim khya ka Sorkar Jylla pynmih ya ka boarding ka bamlut shu Myntri Rangbah ula banjur baki sinjam jong ka roy ka par ka bajob ka don kam khambon sha banya kajing punan kam tangya ki tekno. Myntri Rangbah ula yathu bakani ka project ha St Mary's Higher Secondary School lakmi ilinti bakanya rap ya ka school banyo penlang kumbahan 1000 unit ka boarding manla ubnai. Kabakot ya kajing yo penlang pisa bajan 10,000 tingka shipnai lani jan kot ya ka sanlak tingka shisnem.
You just hold like this.
You're the main person.
Right. That's one.
Elizabeth. I can monitor this.
So what is the current output? It's a 50 kilowatt project, and you'll be happy to know that most of the school's power now is coming from here. Almost, you can say almost 90% is coming from here, and we're only using half the capacity. Very soon we are hopeful that not just the Higher Secondary School but also the college will be completely on solar, and this is the kind of project we'd like to see in all institutes so that we promote green energy. And this is one of the larger projects we've done under CM Solar Mission, but like this about 700 schools have been given units, and close to 1.4 megawatts of power has been installed. So it's a great success, and I wish the school, the management the very best, and we'll continue to have more and more schools powered by solar energy. Okay. 1, 2. So I'm at St Mary's Higher Secondary School with all our students here. We are here to inaugurate the 50 kilowatt solar panel. Guys, say hi.